Hey guys, welcome back to the Almost Mechanic YouTube channel. In case you're new, my name is Liam, and this is the first video of 2024. So it's been a long time coming, but anyways, we are going to get started here. Today we are in the process of moving, or we are in the exact middle of moving the 77. The 77 I already moved. I have already moved the truck itself to a storage unit. I didn't want to do that, but honestly, it's time to get a move on it. So I'm kind of forcing myself into that position. And it'll give me more room to work actually than in my parents' garage. So we are moving all the parts and stuff. We got, obviously it looks very empty in here. We got the flat track cart, which most of you guys didn't know I had. And then we got the Wasp. But I pretty much have taken out, let me flip you guys around. I've pretty much taken out, I got all my parts pretty much all out of here. I got this bin of parts, or this big bin of parts. That's a lot of old stuff. I got the engine still here. I got the 5.7 still here. Hello, Sylvester. And we got a lot of stuff. The engine, or the 400 motor is going to stay until I finish it. I will get into that in my next video. I already started on that video, so that is going to get posted probably a week from this video here. Then that'll be talked about in that video as well. The 727 transmission, which is from the 77 copper. But we will get into that whenever we can get the motors done, or whatever motor we're doing done, whatever. But let me flip you guys back around here. But I'm gonna load up a bunch of stuff, take it to the unit, and I will I'll cut back in where or back over at the unit. All right, guys, we're over at the unit here. I got the 77 here. It looks it's a little dark in here, but we got our goods, all our goodies in here. We got enough room to work over here on it, so that's why it's here. At least I can control what goes in here and what does not, and that makes it a little bit easier for me to work on it. At least I won't have to move stuff every time I need to work on it, or I want to work on it. But definitely time to get moving on it. But so that's where we're at with this. There's still a bunch of stuff I gotta bring. I brought that today, the big hood, the red hood from the 79, which I bought with the 77 here. And then I got all my floor pans, which are already cut out, if you remember right. I don't know how well you can see, but that is actually the floor down here. And you can see my foot wiggling at the bottom in the center. But I got a bunch of stuff to do to it, and we're gonna get it done. I'm sure I'll have a little bit of help here in the next couple weeks working on this. So I'm gonna wrap up this video here. Make sure you guys subscribe. We are just short of 200, and that'd be cool to get 200 here. So I will see you guys in the next video.